Okay, I'm going to plant a few flowers today. Yes, it's windy out. It's probably hard to see. Here's the flowers. Let's see what they're called. Sorbet mix, violas. Now let's see if I can do it. I don't know. Come on. There we go. Look at the roots on that. Good root system. Look at all that. Very good root system. Take them, spread them out. Break up the roots just a little bit. You don't want to damage them too bad though. Uh-oh. Lost my dirt. I'll finish it when I go get a bag of dirt. Come on. I don't know about the root system on this one. It's not as good as the other one. As you can see, it's not as good. Like I said, when all's said and done, I'm going to get some more dirt to put in here. Let's plant a pretty yellow one. Root system's not the best, it's better than the last one. Real good on the bottom. Don't want that night crawler. Or that one. We're not going fishing. We don't need night crawlers. Get a dark purple in it. Oh, it's got a good root system on it. Problem is now filling in the dirt. I've got to get a bag of dirt. I wasn't gonna buy any dirt because I always I always have a bag left, a whole bag left. So we're just setting them down in there. Set them down in there until I get back with the dirt. I want this orange one. No, I can't. Take a yellow one and plant it over there. So hard to get out of these things. Not a very good root system on this one at all. So that's where we're going to set them. I'm going to take my neighbor Walmart, Menards, gonna pick up some mulch and some flowers and stuff like that. So there you go, planting a little bit of flowers. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'm out of here. Peace.